Alright guys, so we got the trailer hooked up to the back of Big Red. This is our 20-foot dovetail, and we're going to go on a little trip today, pick up some lumber. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride. If you would, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and keep coming back for more. Oh, Justin, I hope you're watching, brother. So you had asked to see more Big Red, so I'm going to dedicate this video to you. I'm nothing without my subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and keep coming back for more. If you've got a comment, you got a suggestion, leave it in the comments below, and if I like it, I'm going to do it. And you know what? You might get a shout out too. But also check out 9 Line Apparel, Black Rifle Coffee, awesome t-shirts, awesome coffee, and they really support our vets. They're veteran-owned operations, and you know what? Wouldn't be free without our military servicemen and women and our veterans, and also those who paid the ultimate sacrifice, so we can never forget them. Turn the AC down a little bit. So we just picked up a boatload of lumber. As you can see, we're at a lumber wholesaler here. This is over my shoulder, Storehouse Salvage. So we got a great deal on some lumber. You know, lumber prices are through the roof. We still want to be able to do some projects. I'm going to be making some shelves, and also got some wood. Hopefully we can make some tables or some other furniture, or we'll just we'll flip the wood for a profit and get our money back. But anyway, I got 5 pallets of lumber out in the back. You guys can probably see out the back window there. Pretty awesome. I'll show you guys a walk around video. Hey guys, just like the name, Storehouse Salvage has all kinds of lumber and interior fixtures, exterior fixtures, windows, doors, drill bits, saw blades, paint, primer, kitchen countertops, you name it. It's about 30 minutes to the west of Savannah, in a small town called Pembroke. And you know what? Go check them out if you're in the local Savannah area. And they've got a great deal on lumber. And if you've got questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below, and we'll address those as we can. It's going to hit the road, and hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, so she's towing pretty good back there. Made it to the house. So got a total of 5 stacks of lumber. We got some 2x10s, we got some 1x12s, we got some 2x8s. Over here we got some 2x6s, 2 stacks of those. And it's not perfect lumber, but running through a planer and it'll be just fine. It just sat at the warehouse for a while, but I'm going to make some shelves for sure. There are some bows, some cracks. You know, it's not perfect lumber. Some of this can be skimmed down, make some tables or what have you. But it's already got that distressed look, so you could throw some epoxy on there. Got through in this bundle here. This was 300 originally. This is 400 originally. This was originally 450. He gave me a deal on each one of these. These were each 300. This stack here, I believe, was $250 a piece, so I got 2 of those stacks. And so all in all, I'm not gonna tell you what I paid, but dude made me a super special deal, and that's a lot of wood. It's gonna be a lot of projects, a lot of cutting, and hopefully nobody comes by and steals. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you would, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and keep coming back for more. Once again, you guys get to come along for the ride, watch me build my dreams. The true purpose of this channel is to motivate, inspire, and help you guys get out there and start building your dreams.